Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 1486 XOR operation in an array. So here is given an integer n and an integer start. You have to define an array such that nums of I is equals to start plus 2 into I. Okay, and n should be the nums length, and you just have to return the bitwise XOR of all the element in a nums. Okay, so let's do this. First I will create int XOR, which is initially 0, and then I will traverse through for int I equals to 0, I less than, and then I plus plus, and do the XOR equals to start. I will put the same condition that is given, start plus XOR into I. Okay, and after this you just have to return the XOR value. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, undefined int XOR. Let's define with some another variable. Let's again run this. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.